Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on Fairphone 5. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now once your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And when you see logo on the screen, you can let go of these buttons. And as you can see, now I'm in recovery mode, and here you have to use volume buttons to navigate. So move to wipe data factory reset option and then press power button to select. Now move to factory data reset and press power button again. And now choose reboot system now option. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.